From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for the debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's happening in Bengal? What's going on? Violence broke out earlier on the streets of Kolkata today when you had a policeman who was thrashed in broad daylight by the left activist over the death of a DYFI activist in Lathi Charge. This clash then has clearly revived the debate on political violence that we have seen in Bengal. Do remember, the state has a long history of political violence. So is nothing going to change in Bengal? This is what unfolded earlier in the state, and then we debate.
Gherawed, thrashed and chased. Watch how left activists attacked a policeman on the streets of Kolkata in broad daylight. The clashes between the left workers and Kolkata police comes after a DYFI activist was killed in police lathi charge.
পুলিশের একটি উদ্দেশ্য থাকে যে মিছিলটাকে আটকানো নয়, কিন্তু বেধড়কভাবে হলো ছাত্র এবং যুবদেরকে পেটানো, এবং তারা হলো বেধড়কভাবে পিটিয়েছে ছাত্র এবং যুবদেরকে এবং আমাদেরকে, এবং তাদের একটুও ব্যথাও করেনি, এবং তারা হলো এই সরকারের একটি পুরোপুরি দালাল হয়ে গেছেন। তাদের গুন্ডাগিরির একটি দালাল বাস পুলিশ এই রাজ্যে, এবং এর মাধ্যমেই হলো আমাদের বিভিন্ন কমরেড হলো আঘাত হয়েছে, কিন্তু তার মধ্যে হলো আমাদের কমরেড মহিদুল হলো শহীদ হয়ে গেছেন।
In the streets of Kolkata, because the state is poll bound, and on the 11th of this month, and that procession, that program of SFI and DYFI, which was called Navanna Cholo, or the marching to the secretariat of the state, was actually been called for this purpose only.
With this, the focus is back on the law and order situation in Bengal.
সেই জন্যই আপনার এত ইন্টারেস্ট। যে কোনো মৃত্যু দুঃখজনক। আপনাকে সুজন চক্রবর্তী এটা বলেছে যে সকালে আমি ওনাকে ফোন করেছিলাম, এটা গণশক্তিকে জানিয়েছিল যে ফোন করে বলেছি যে এটা দুঃখজনক, এবং কিভাবে মারা গেছে সেটা পোস্টমর্টম হবার পরে বোঝা যাবে। আদৌ কারণ তারা পুলিশকে কোনো কমপ্লেন করেনি, আমি যেটা খবর নিয়েছি। দুই হচ্ছে তাদের বাড়ির লোককেও জানানো হয়নি 2 দিন আগে। 3 দিন আগে যে একটা ছেলে ভর্তি হলো, তার বাড়ির লোককে জানানো হবে না, পুলিশকে জানানো হবে না, আর আদৌ কী করে মারা গেছে সেটা পোস্টমর্টম রিপোর্ট পেয়ে আমরা জানতে পারবো। আর 2, এটা পুলিশ দেখছে, পুলিশ দেখবে। আমি কোনো মৃত্যুকে সাপোর্ট করি না, দুঃখজনক। এবং আমি সুজন চক্রবর্তীকে বলেছি যে যেভাবেই মারা যাক, আমি চাই যে ছেলেটার পরিবার যদি মনে করে যে গরিব পরিবার, আমি তাদের একটা চাকরি দেওয়ার জন্য এবং ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল সাহায্য করবার জন্য তৈরি আছি।
Especially at a time when even mainstream politicians are not spared. Is institutionalized and extra-constitutional violence becoming a part of political discourse in Bengal? Let's debate.
And left versus police is the hashtag that you can use and put out your points on the coup app. Remember, you're looking at that count, left versus police. We are waiting to hear from our viewers on that story. As I say, good evening to Priyanka Tibrewal, the leader of the BJP, who's joining us on the broadcast from Kolkata. Rakhi Mitra is a political analyst. Binay Singh is also a political analyst. Riju Datta, member of the TMC, on the broadcast from Kolkata. Shubhankar Bhattacharya is also a political analyst. Anirban Banerjee is also a political analyst. Vivek, you will have some tough questions, but let's see how you tackle them. Chetan, good evening, lawyer and a political analyst to all of you. Let's first bring in Vivek and Priyanka. Vivek, you're smiling, but what's going on in Bengal? There is nothing that wants to make me smile today when I look at those images, Vivek.
See, I'll tell you what, okay? I'll tell you what. I mean, every time I was on a television channel and all this fake propaganda machinery of the BJP with their, hugely paid election campaigns, their rallies, their make-believe beatings, which were managed by them on their own. And one question which every anchor used to ask me was, where is the left and where is the Congress? And are you guys in the fray or not? That's the first part. And I used to tell them that, look, the left does not believe in the politics of Vyaktivad. We do not believe in a persona politics. We believe in the politics of policies. The left is very much there. The Congress is there. We are fighting it out. We are going to come up and you will have a very big surprise show. So all this media rhetoric about BJP winning the elections over there is going to be proven wrong, number one. Number two, traditionally Trinamool Congress and the left have been at loggerheads. We have fought with Trinamool Congress. We are fighting with Trinamool Congress. We do not support Mamata Banerjee. However, we consider the communal politics of the BJP as a national threat. So we are fighting against both of them. We were not allowed to even, fill the papers for the Panchayati Raj elections. So many of our, probable candidates were killed by this Trinamool Congress. So we are fighting it. But however, the other truth of the situation that we realize is that the Bharatiya Janata Party is a much, much bigger national threat, because never before in Bengal was there a communal angle. Never before there was a Hindu-Muslim kind of a funda over there, which has started now. The misuse of Allahu Akbar, Nara Tadbir, and the misuse of Jai Shri Ram.
Priyanka, you are to be blamed. You have vitiated the atmosphere, says Vivek.
See, that is what I will start by saying, that, instead of condemning the situation or saying that, violence should not be play any part in democracy, he's speaking about BJP. So when we said that Congress, CPM and TMC are all together, we were correct in saying so. You can very well understand from what Mr. Vivek is just mentioning, he is not at all speaking about the kind of lawlessness which is present in the state here. And he is not speaking about how the police is playing a big role, how the government is running the... Mr. Vivek, I was quiet when you were speaking and I expect the same from you. So he is not at all saying that what role TMC is playing. He has hardly mentioned about the state government, the lawlessness present here in the state, no place for violence in democracy. He is not saying all that. He is not saying that TMC is resorting to violence in order to stay in power. But he is saying that BJP is a threat. So we now very well understand that you, Congress and TMC, are trying to fight and contest against BJP. But see, people are smart enough. Those who are talking about violence here, let me remind, this is the same CPM who has taught the culture of violence to TMC. How can we forget the Sainbari incident which CPM did here? There are many other incidents. If we speak about Nanur, if we speak about Nandigram, so this was the violence which was done by CPM. They taught TMC how to stay in power.
I'll tell you, Vivek, I'm also raising my hand. Vivek, I'm also raising my hand, and I'll then also get in Anirban and Rakhi here. But Priyanka, this is what even I thought. That, see, I asked Vivek a question about the violence, about these very, very dramatic images, and not a word condemning violence. Why would you do that, Vivek? Because, see, the NCRB data, it reveals how the highest number of political murders, Chetan, was witnessed under the left rule in 2009, when there were 50 murders, followed by 2000, by 2010, 2011, when there were 38 political murders. 38 political murders, Chetan. So what are we not condoning here? Anirban, why are you looking so worried? I haven't even asked you a question yet, Anirban, but Chetan.
Look, Deepthi, we have always seen that Bengal is one of the most political aware state. Bengal has been the capital of this country. We know that. And we have seen what exactly has overturned. It was so very convenient for Priyanka to say that who has taught violence to whom. She is saying that as if this baton was passed by CPM to TMC. But this is not the real issue. We have seen in 2019 in Lok Sabha general election how the journey from 3 to 18. 3-2 journey, how many deaths have taken place. We have seen that. We have seen the violence. We have seen the Ishwar Chandra statue, which was defaced.
Now you're confusing me. You are confusing me. I just want to tell you, just tell me whose side are you on, and then Rakhi can also come in.
I am at a side of Mahatma Gandhi, what Mahatma Gandhi has said. I am
Can I ask
on
something?
a side that to
Can I
win
come in?
election, to
Do
win
not talk
election,
about
we are
Mahatma
creating
Gandhi.
violence.
Raki, no,
To
he
win
doesn't
election,
have an
we are creating
answer.
violence. We have
He
seen
doesn't
in
have an
2019
answer.
who has
He thinks
created-
he's going to get
Yeah,
caught.
Vivek.
No.
Yeah.
So the safest
He
answer,
doesn't have an
Raki.
answer. Let me ask. Vivek.
Who
Vivek has already given his answer to the viewers.
Can Priyanka let
Vivek
us know?
has already
Can you
given
let me
his
know,
answer when he said-
Mamata Banerjee categorically said that the
Could I
money bag
speak?
has been used. The money bag has been
Chetan,
used
could
to
I
buy
speak?
MPs, to
No,
buy
it's
MLAs.
Chetan. Otherwise, you speak for the Congress.
The question
Today
is
you're
not
speaking for Mamata
a debate.
Banerjee.
Is not
Are
on
you
money
forgetting
bags.
what happened during the Panchayat elections? I mean, come on. I know, I've seen those images playing out on national television.
Are we saying bye-bye to
does not
democracy?
know.
No, what
This
is
a serious
this? What is
concern.
this? I don't understand. You're not letting Raki complete her point. Raki
Let me
first
come in,
and
let
then
me come in
Anirban.
once. Yeah,
Raki.
Let me come in. Vivek.
Yes.
Vivek has already given the viewers their answer when he said that when people were asking where is the Congress, where is the CPM, so to stay in power, to stay in relevance, they have used this boy. Why am I saying? Moidul Islam's sister. She has said that my brother did not belong to any political party. That means what? He was used by them. He did not belong to DYFI or SFI.
It's a
That
big
is the
charge.
sister
It's a big
statement.
charge, Raki.
So
You're
to
leveling,
stay
and
in
I want
relevance-
Vivek to come in before Anirban
Yes,
takes
it's a
the
big
floor.
charge.
Vivek, Raki is making a big allegation against you.
Level whatever you
All
want.
this is stage
You
managed,
can level-
Vivek.
You can level whatever charges you want, Raki.
No.
The
It's
truth
his
of the
sister who
matter
has said
is
it.
that the
Where
youth are
did
being
you
persecuted.
people
No,
go to
his
the
sister
police?
Can say whatever she wants.
Did you people
His
go to
sister
the
can
police
say
when he
whatever
was
she wants. You're not trying to
hospitalized?
just, maybe giving him some
Did you
relief.
go?
The
Do
fact
not
is
play
the
that
left was
communist
victimized.
dirty game of bloodshed.
Left was victimized
You
in
communists,
Bengal,
you have
and youth
always
are
played
being
this
victimized
game
at
of
a national level by the
bloodshed
BJP
all
government.
over Bengal. We have not forgotten. We have not
Absolutely not.
forgotten Mori
We
Chapi.
believe
We
in
have not
democracy.
forgotten the
We
Saibari
believe in
incident.
elections.
Bengal will never
We win
forget
elections.
it.
We have also lost
You
elections.
do not. Otherwise,
So
you
this-
would not
this
have
constitution
fed
of
a
Ambedkar is what
mother
we believe in.
rice
We are not
soaked
like the
in the
BJP,
blood of her
which
son.
believes in
Do not.
Manusmriti.
Do not
We
say
are the
that you
left.
believe.
We believe in the
You believe
constitution of
only in
Ambedkar.
bloodshed.
Okay?
You fed a mother. You
We absolutely
Vivek,
believe
listen.
in the electoral
we
politics.
know what had happened in
We have been ruling in
Saibari.
Bengal for a long time. Tripura,
Electoral
10
politics,
years, Manipur,
feeding
so
a
many years,
mother,
Kerala,
feeding a
and
mother.
recently we had a very
Rice
good show in
soaked
Bihar.
in the
So we
blood of
believe in
her son
elections.
is politics. What are you
We
saying?
believe in elections. We believe
Do
in the
not,
constitution.
do not sit there and lie.
That is
Bengal
one part.
remembers
So
what you
don't
have
to
done.
teach us that we do not believe in the democracy of the nation.
We know
believe.
he was not a part.
We
He was
brought
not
in
a part
the
of your
biggest
party,
land
so do
reform
not
movement of
lie.
West
You
Bengal.
people used him as a
And for
collateral
35
damage.
years plus, the people of Bengal
Do not
loved
talk
us.
about that movement. Today
Because
the
you were
topic
working
is
for them.
Moidul Islam.
35 years.
Nobody
we got
loves
the love of the
you.
people
You
of
were
Bengal.
thrown out. You
And let
are
me
not
tell
in
you,
relevance
the
anymore.
Congress and the left,
You
we
are
will
not
come
in
back
relevance
again.
anymore.
Thumping
Your
majority,
minority vote
the
has
left and the
depleted.
Congress will come back in Bengal.
Your
Wait and
minority
watch.
vote has
The communal
depleted in
politics that you are
2019,
doing over
and that
there
is the reason
is the
you have
BJP
used
and
Moidul
TMC are
Islam.
doing.
Do
The
not
Hindu
lie.
versus the Muslim.
Do not
This
lie.
Jai Shri Ram versus
Your
Allah
vote has
Akbar. We
depleted.
do
That
not
is the
believe in it.
minority vote. In
Marxism
2019,
means
the question is not
no
Jai Shri
religion
Ram.
in
The
social
question
life.
is you have used
And that is
Moidul
what we
Islam
want Bengal to be.
to stay in relevance. That is
Absolutely
the
not.
summary of the story.
Let
Do
me tell
not
you.
lie.
Let me tell you one thing.
You have used
Marxism
him.
says
He did not
no
belong
use
to
of
your
religion
party.
in social
Now
life.
tell me, 1 minute.
So whatever
1 minute,
the BJP
1 minute.
is doing,
Tell me where
whatever
is
the Trinamool
where is
Congress
Deepak
tries to do,
Panja?
if
Where
you
is
drag in
Deepak
religion
Panja of
into the
Panchkula?
politics, we fight with
Where is Deepak Panja?
I'll
Do
tell
you
you
know
what.
where
See,
he
you're
is?
not clear
He
and
went
you're
for your
confused.
rally. Do you know where he is?
You are very confused.
Please tell us.
I'll tell you what.
You are
very
confused.
confused.
You are
You're
trying
very
to confuse
confused.
us. We are
You're
not
very
confused.
confused.
Bengal knows.
Let me
Bengal
sort it out
knows
for
the
you.
communists
You are
very well.
confusing
And
because
you are
do
not
know
coming back.
Marxism. You do
Vivek,
not know
quickly.
what the
You
don't need
Communist
to sort
Party
out
Then I want to get in
There's a lot of
Anirban
confusion.
and Vinay also.
I do not want to
Yeah.
know. I do not want to know your Marxism.
Very clearly, 10 seconds.
I do not want to
10
know
seconds.
your politics
Marxism
of bloodshed.
says religion is
Yes,
the
10
opium of the
seconds,
masses,
10 seconds,
and
Vivek,
religion
then
should be
Anirban.
kept out
Marxism.
of the social life and the political life of the nation. Religion is for your personal growth.
Your minority
and that
vote
is what
has
the
got
communists are going to
depleted.
do.
Say that.
All your Jai Shri Ram Naras.
No,
all
but
your
this
Allahu
debate is
Akbar,
not about
all
religion right now, no, Vivek? You know, Rakhi has asked you a pointed question. But Anirban, somewhere you will also have to tell me what is the police in your state doing. Is this the situation of law and order? And then Binay will take you on. Anirban.
No, well, what the Chief Minister has said today was actually a fresh whiff of air. She has said that she condemns this violence. She is extremely sad that a young man has lost his life, and anything that his family wants will be done by the state government, and an investigation, a fair and thorough investigation has been ordered as well, as far as I know. So therefore...
No, but why? Why, Anirban? Why does the Chief Minister says that she is ready to provide a job and money to their family? Why? Why should anyone die like this? Binay, that is my problem. We have seen political violence unfolding in the state of Bengal for far too long. Whether it's the left, whether it's the TMC, Binay, for how long will this continue to go on? And then you hand over dolls. Say, paisa de denge, naukri de denge, and that's it.
No. So if Anirban has finished, then I'll speak.
That's not it. Sir, just a minute. Absolutely, that's not it. It has been an extremely unfortunate incident. We are sad that a young man has lost his life. But what I would like to point out is the difference between the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal and that of the BJP-ruled state Chief Minister, who actually don't even care when people die because of police brutality. That is the difference between...
See, politics on your mind. Politics on your mind, no, then Anirban.
Absolutely.
Why is your state police not accountable today?
Anirban,
Have you asked them, Anirban, any questions?
Can I reply
Binay,
to
go on,
Anirban?
please, Binay.
She is ready to provide anything that the family of the...
No, I cannot speak over Anirban. Anirban, you must finish first, then I'll speak.
Between a people's chief minister and somebody...
I cannot,
But he has nothing to say, no, Binay. That is the problem.
Somebody dies.
He has nothing new to tell us.
No, he's just shouting, he's interpreting.
You know,
I won't
these
be able
images
to
from
make my
Bengal are
point.
horrific. Every time, Binay, there is violence in the state. You see the TMC pointing fingers at the left, then you see the left pointing fingers at the TMC, then they, get the BJP into this, and they say sab chalta hai. But for how long, Binay, will we continue to lose lives like this? No, Binay.
Look, there is a science behind this violence. Left has mastered the art of camouflaging Gundaism with activism. They are the first to advocate violence, to act violence, and also the first to cry on it. TMC has learned this art of political violence from the left itself. And you know, surprisingly, all this is done in the name of democracy. All this violence, all this Gundaism activities that is done in the name of this democracy. And what the left claims that it is about quality politics. It is basically about quality violence. The TMC and the left, they both symbolize the quality violence, not quality politics. And you know, when the left talk about sainthood, they forget Saibali and Marijati massacre. They very selectively forget Saibali and Marijati massacre. And left is no different from TMC.
Anirban, the debate is not about Uttar Pradesh. It's about West Bengal. It's about West Bengal. It's about the lack of law and order. Are you ashamed to talk about it?
What the TMC is acting today, they have learned it from the left itself.
I'm proud of my state.
The left is the ones to start a culture of violence in this country.
You have to mention that
the left is the first,
data,
and the TMC is the second to carry that battle of the left.
That is
left is not the one to start violence, political violence culture in this country. They have started the culture of political violence.
No, let's see, Binay, if Riju has an answer. If Riju has an answer, then Shubhankar can also come in. You know, Riju, the point is, do you admit that there is a law and order problem in the state? Vivek, 1 second. I want to hear Riju first. 150 protesters, 15 policemen injured in clashes. You have seen violence across districts. On 23rd of January, 3 districts here, South, Dinajpur, Jalpaiguri. You've seen violence here. Then, you know, what you saw with Moeed Islam. Riju, so how is this not a law and order problem?
First of all, good evening to you, and thank you for coming to the official representative of TMC at the fag end. But before jumping into the question you have asked me, I'm going to say a very pertinent thing, that you know the elections are in Bengal, and in Bengal petrol is 90 rupees per litre, 84 rupees is diesel, and gas cylinders are 745 rupees. Now coming to the topic of the debate,
rather than condemning the situation which is prevalent here, they are talking about petrol. Now they want to bring in focus on politics for each and everything. So life of people doesn't matter at all. Lawlessness in West Bengal, rather than speaking about the lawlessness, he is trying to shift the focus. This is what they always do. Why are they not answerable to what is happening in Bengal? They should answer. They See what a petrifying and horrifying situation in West Bengal. Police has been run by the government. And the government has nothing to say or take a stand. But rather they are saying that they will give a job.
Priyanka, let's give Riju 30 seconds to respond.
Back the life of the people you have taken.
Priyanka, let's give 30 seconds to him to respond. He's making his opening comments on the debate. Yes, Riju.
Thank you. Now you have to understand, in the Bengal elections, every party comes with a particular agenda. Now TMC has the agenda of development, good governance, which is in black and white for the people. BJP has come fighting these elections with a religion card and the round card. Congress is still clueless, they have no agenda, but unfortunately, the agenda of CPM in Bengal elections has always been death. Now what they have basically done is, they have pried on these young minds, they have manipulated them into going into a violent protest, and they were waiting in their AC chambers for something unfortunate like this to happen so that they have some sort of relevance in the state or up for the upcoming Bengal politics. It is not only shameful, it is very derogatory, and it is criminal on part of CPM to use young minds like this in Bengal politics and use them for violence like this. You gave some numbers at the beginning of your show. I will give some numbers now. In 34 years of CPM regime, there have been 1,500 custodial deaths, 1,100 deaths from political protests, and 52,000 deaths for people who have just supported the opposition. That is the culture of CPM in Bengal. We do not condone death, we do not condone political violence, but if something unfortunate happens, our Honorable CM has said there has been an official inquiry into what has resulted in the death of the child. We are waiting for the post-mortem report.
Riju, now if you allow me, you're making that same charge that was earlier made by Rakhi. Vivek is wanting to respond, and then I'm going to come back to you, Riju. But Vivek, this is for the second time in this debate that it is being alleged that all this is a game plan of the left, Vivek. So you will go to any lengths right now for your political relevance.
I'll tell you. Now, no. I'll tell you what. See, there are three people in the panel right now. Riju is there, Rakhi is there, M. Vinay Singh is there. So everybody is having nightmares, you know. Every night when they sleep, inko left dikhta hai, left communist. They are having nightmares. The Prime Minister of India is having nightmares.
But wo to kehte hain left se kuch bacha hi nahi. There is nothing left of the left. No, Vivek.
So now, no, I'll tell you, there's no left. We are with the farmers, we stand with the farmers. The Prime Minister is sleepless, you know. Bengal, we know we're going to come back. People are going to reject both the parties because of the communal angle. If it was development, the story would have been different. The Prime Minister has failed on all fronts. What face does the BJP have?
But talk of the left, no.
What are they going to tell
talk of the left, the BJP will talk about the BJP. I want you to talk about the left.
Where is the agricultural growth rate? Where is the unemployment ratio? What?
See, we are the opposition here. We are speaking. We are raising.
I'm pulling you back.
Which have to be addressed.
Riju and Rakhi both have alleged here, Vivek, that all this is a game plan. Before you come in, Priyanka, I want to ask this question of Vivek once more. So you created all this.
Yeah.
You created all this fracas.
What is the question?
Vivek.
No, we did not create anything. We did not create anything. But agitation against oppression is my birthright. And I'm going to do it. If you suppress me, if you get black belts, we will protest.
Rakhi is responding, then Priyanka will come.
A particular state, we will protest. And we have a right to it. It's a democratic right. And we are democratic because we fight elections.
First of all.
Yes, Rakhi first, then I'll get in Riju and Priyanka both. But Rakhi, go on.
Rights. Remember Vivek, remember Moidul Islam also had his democratic right to live, which you did not give him because you made the opening statement that you want to stay in relevance.
I'm not saying
so
it's unfortunate.
I asked you the question.
Nobody is supporting
1 minute, Vivek,
any death.
Vivek,
200 farmers are not there. 200 farmers have been martyred and the Prime Minister did not shed a single tear.
But Vivek,
200 farmers
allow me to talk.
And the Prime Minister did not shed a single tear.
Do not talk over me. Allow me to talk.
Please go ahead.
You do not talk when I'm talking. I did not talk when you were talking.
You're talking about farmers. No, Rakhi, you have to just give me 10 seconds, Rakhi, because he speaks about farmers. He's giving lectures here sitting, Riju. And then I think Shubhankar also hasn't spoken up, but just for this information. You know, it was your regime, Vivek, if you're forgetting, that had opened fire on farmers in Nandigram in 2007. And do you remember how many farmers got killed? How many were injured? Do you remember, Vivek? Do you want to share those
is there a
figures?
competition going on?
So don't tell
Is
me
there a
sitting here on the
competition going on?
debate that your
Are we
heart
the
is
role model
bleeding
for
for
Prime
farmers.
Minister Narendra Modi?
Because that is a lie.
Are we the role
That is a lie. Shubhankar.
That should be addressed.
Shubhankar.
What has TMC done for those farmers? That should also be addressed. They played politics in Singur.
Yes.
They have used
Priyanka,
Vivek
Shubhankar
Farmers to
hasn't
come to
spoken.
power.
I want to listen
And
to him.
the same CPM, they shouldn't have any face to speak because they have killed.
Yes. Shubhankar, please.
Thank you.
Vivek
Since
is
it's flashed in the
lying.
memory
Vivek
that
is
I am
lying.
also in the panel.
They believe
So-
only the politics of bloodshed.
I would request Rakhi ji and Priyanka. I heard for a while. So if you just could give me some time. Now the thing is that I was hearing
Yes.
Vivek talk about how left is going to come up and how people are going to reject both the parties and all. But I'm quite surprised that which way exactly the left is going, and this is something which surprises me the most. Secondly, when people in the BJP, they start talking about the saddened condition of the state and the law and order. Let me ask you what happened when there was such incidences continuously happening due to the mob lynching, due to all the communal violence all over the state, all over the country basically. How many lynching deaths were there? Why didn't the BJP speak up at that point of time? Did you ever care to understand that there is no
Shubhankar,
Mamata leading in UP? What exactly
See, Shubhankar,
happens in UP? How
Shubhankar,
safe-
I do apologize. I got you really late into the debate, but that does not mean that you do not answer my question.
What the debate is on.
No, Shubhankar, today you have to answer this question.
No, the topic of the
Are you
debate.
telling me that under the TMC rule, everything is hunky-dory in the state? You have no political violence? Because then I'll tell you the numbers. I want you to talk of the TMC. I want you to talk of Mamata Banerjee. I want you to talk of your police.
In any case,
Countless.
139 plus.
Sir, let me tell you,
We have lost our
the report
Karyakartas.
that is continuously running on the state, the report that is continuing, kindly just see the way the left have behaved. Kindly see that how much the police have really struggled, the way they have misbehaved with the police. It is always, see, it's very sorry that somebody lost a life over there. And I think that the Chief Minister has done the right thing to offer whatever the best could have happened to just console the family of. But at the same time, I'm just asking a simple question. Where was the same apathy when there were lynching deaths in the country? There has been a lot of lynching deaths. What happened in that case? What happens when the
No,
farmers
you have
actually
to
died?
answer about the
We
lawlessness
never
of the
talk
state.
about
You
it.
have to
That's
answer
also
that day.
sort of murder.
Just day
When
before
you
yesterday,
express
Babu
and you
Master
force
was
the farmers
attacked.
to take that sort of
Our-
ultimate
our-
step.
Our
that is
Neta
a
from
sort
BJP
of
was
abatement of
attacked.
society
You have
that
to
basically
answer
No, but
that.
how
Why
did
do
this
you
man
not-
die?
why do you
Shubhankar,
not address the
Shubhankar,
violence?
Vivek was asking a question that how did this man die? Vivek.
Stop them.
Spectator which has been run
No,
by
I want to know how did this
Stop
man die?
claiming that the farmers are not farmers.
And
the
Mamata
farmers were
Banerjee
dying
is the
because
Home Minister
they
of the
were
state,
not
no?
fighting
The
for
state
the
police reports
How
to
did this
her.
man die?
Riju, do you want to
How
help?
did this man
Do you
die?
want to help your friend
That's the biggest
Shubhankar?
question.
I'm just asking.
No, I don't want
I'm
to
just
help anybody.
asking
I just
you.
want, I want
Now,
to say my
when-
piece if you give me a chance to say my piece. See, I just want to say,
Yes, Riju first.
farmers, Vivek talked about farmers. Now, I just want to remind you and the viewers what happened to the farm agitation in Delhi, what happened on 26 January after these leftists infiltrated the farmers agitation. So, it is their trend, that is what they do. Now, I also want to remind your viewers that in the 2019 poll elections, Lok Sabha elections in Bengal, CPM percentage came from 23% to 6%. So it is the BJP's, CPM's bomb, which has become the new Ram in Bengal. The CPM has come from 23% to 6% and BJP has gone up. So CPM cadres have gone into BJP. And I am giving figures. Okay, now the next thing Priyanka has said that it is a Gathbandhan between TMC, CPM and Congress. Priyanka, for your research,
Let me tell you very clearly, we don't support fascism in any way.
So CPM and
We
Congress
don't support fascism in any way, sir.
Once
And we
and
have
for all.
nothing to do
And
with
the
the
last
party.
thing Priyanka said about Babu Master.
We are on our
Babu
own
Master
and the
was
Congress
a
is in a
criminal,
lie.
was a goon, was a murderer of CPM.
We are on
that
our
BJP
own
is
and the
now
Congress is in a lie
employing
of the
for their
left.
political mileage.
And
so
we'll give a fitting
Priyanka, your
reply.
party should be very ashamed of who they employ, who they take there in the party. We vote before looking at their history, whether they were criminals or not.
No, but I don't understand, gentlemen, why none of you are asking my,
People
you
of
know,
Bengal
none
are
of you are
quitting your
answering my
party.
questions.
They are
I asked the
giving a
TMC
tight slap on
Priyanka
your
any
face.
question. They speak about the BJP. I asked the left any question, they again start speaking about the BJP. So Priyanka, they're all feeling threatened by you, it seems, because you are the only topic of conversation now.
Yes, that is. Yes, that is exactly the same. See, public confidence is a very integral part in democracy, and people in Bengal have already shown that they have lost that
Priyanka
faith
and Riju
on
now,
TMC.
yes,
They do
Priyanka
not have
first.
that faith on TMC anymore. But BJP will reinstate the faith of the people in politics. And they already know that. That is why you see who is hounding them. It is just the support which the people of Bengal are showing towards BJP is hounding them. They're having sleepless nights. Be it CPM, be it Congress, be it TMC. They just have one name on them. They just have one name, and that is BJP. They are not speaking about, see, TMC is not speaking about the 10 years work or development, whatever they have done in Bengal. Because they have done nothing. If they had done something, then they would have spoken about that work of 10 years. Which industries came to West Bengal? They are talking about farmers. I tell you, they are speaking about farmers. What happened in Singur? Mamata Banerjee did not allow Tatas to come up with a factory here. People would have got jobs. People would have got employment. But she did not allow the industry to come in here. Rather, what she did, she played with the emotions of the farmers. She went to the court. The lands which were returned back to the farmers were not fit for cultivation. They could not be cultivated. So this is the politics which TMC is doing here in West Bengal. And CPM is talking about BJP. How can they forget the incidents where they have mercilessly killed people? Where they have killed people. Now they killed people from Congress. And the same CPM is joining hands with Congress. You tell me, how will people show any kind of confidence or faith in CPM and Congress? You are speaking about the prices of petrol. You are speaking about the prices of petrol, but you will not speak about the unemployment which is here in West Bengal. And you have failed. You have failed as a government. You have failed as a government to provide employment to the people. You have failed as a government to provide any kind of facilities to the people. You have failed as a government to provide health facilities to the people. You come out with fake schemes. You come out with fake cards. You give fake cards to the people, and when people reach the hospital, they are saying that no, we will not accept these cards. Now these are your schemes. That is why now they are shifting the focus. Now they are trying to show that they have suddenly become Hindus. They are the people who are responsible for creating the rift of 70 versus 30 in West Bengal. They are the people who have done minority appeasement. And now when they realize that the minorities are not going to support them, so suddenly they are becoming Hindus. All this while they were feeling ashamed to call
All right, that's a good BJP versus TMC face-off. But even as that is happening, I do not know why Shubhankar has been so amused. He was literally laughing. And you know, Anirban is so sad. I don't know why, Chetan. But before I come to you and Vivek, and you know, Vivek has another scheme that he'll tell us about. Anirban, what are you so amused about?
No, I'm not amused. You were right when you said that I am
Shubhankar.
sad that a young man has lost his life. So that is the point. This is a sad day because a young man has lost his life.
So why should people keep losing their lives?
Of course, that
do
is
something about it.
We have
No.
said that the chief minister has unequivocally condemned this loss of life, and she has promised that anything that
condemnation not good enough. No, Anirban, condemnation not good enough. Shubhankar.
But
that is for his family to
Shubhankar.
say.
But at least, see,
this
is what I was also trying to say, that when you hear, I heard Anirban, I heard Priyanka, Priyanka, but if you see that Priyanka also categorically only discussed about what happened in Kolkata, what happens in Bengal, but she has a selective memory of, she didn't actually take the risk of talking about Godhra, how many people died over there. Yes, we cannot justify one death with the other.
Shubhankar,
yes,
you are a learned gentleman. The debate is about Bengal, so it is but obvious that we will speak about Bengal. We will speak about Bengal because the debate is about Bengal unless you want to run away from it. Rakhi, this is the problem. I think the moment you ask them a straight question, they will start pointing fingers here and there and everywhere. But not at themselves. Because neither Vivek, nor Anirban, nor Shubhankar, nor Riju here, Rakhi, they want to answer these questions.
Nor Vivek,
yes,
nobody.
And it is a very, and the Chief Minister also regretted
Listen, no, Shubhankar, now listen to Rakhi.
See, the Chief Minister also regretted it, that she should regret
Shubhankar,
it,
listen.
but at least
when you are inviting, Shubhankar, just listen when I'm talking. I did not interfere when you were talking. When you invite them for a debate, just tell them what the topic is, because they have a habit of jumping from West Bengal to Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal to Madhya Pradesh. They do not want to discuss about Bengal. Second thing, I am very happy that the Chief Minister has said that she is very sad. 1 minute. The debate
Shubhankar,
is on
Bengal.
not
The
on
story
Uttar
is
Pradesh.
Bengal.
That is the reason. Bengal, it's West Bengal.
Okay.
Secondly,
even if it is Bengal,
please, would you like to ask the TMC people how many times has your Shubhankar? Please have the courtesy. Please have the courtesy to listen when a lady is talking. Do not
Rakhi,
interfere.
I have shown enough
you
courtesy
people
to
lack
have
these
actually
courtesies.
waited till the end of the debate.
When your Chief Minister, when I did not interfere when you were talking. When your Chief Minister has condoned, I am very happy. But when 139 BJP Karyakartas were killed, how many times has she called up the BJP people or offered them jobs or paid her condolences? Please ask her that.
Hello.
Please ask her that.
We also
did she call up? Did she offer a job or did she condone? No, she did not.
Killed. Even the TMC Karyakartas
she
were
said,
killed.
I
Why do you
have
forget
called
that?
up Shujan Chakraborty.
Why do you forget that?
How many?
And why is it
TMC
so difficult
she will
for
deal
you
herself.
to accept the
We
fact
are in
that at the
opposition.
same time,
If she
when
can,
the Bengal
if she can call
when the
CPM
there is
people,
in Bengal,
do
the
not,
UP is
you
also
are
not facing
having
a very happy
match fixing.
state. The UP is
Match
also not a
fixing
very
over
happy state
a
in
cup
case of law and
coffee
order.
and fish fry.
And I'm
we
sorry.
all know.
And
Everybody in West Bengal knows your match fixing game is going
Rakhi,
on.
I'm very
you
sorry
and
that
CPM,
it is not like
your
it is a
fish
debate
fry
and it cannot be like
coffee,
you can go on and
match
on.
fixing is
I
going
have
on.
to break in between
Yes.
and have to interrupt that kindly
Of course.
compare with the
When
states
you were
where
talking,
your
I did
rule
not
is over
interfere.
there. Why don't you talk about those states
Why
where the
should I?
BJP is ruling?
Why should
Why
I?
don't
The
you have
topic
a,
is West Bengal.
Why can't
The
you
topic
show?
is West
Why
Bengal.
can't you
Shubhankar,
show
today the
a
debate is
little
about
courage
Bengal.
to
From
speak
West
about
Bengal.
it? Why don't you have a courage? Because
West
is
Bengal,
it like
you
the
do not know the
Rakhi, they can
topic.
try to run away. But see,
What is happening?
the truth always, Riju has a way of catching up. Before I come to you, I know you want to come in, but Chetan, have you now decided whose side are you on? Have you decided now? Are you going to support Mamata Banerjee? Will you support the left? Or like you always do, you want to question the BJP?
No, there is nothing, to question about anybody out here. It's a time to ensure that our democratic principles, our democratic values are going to get furthermore strengthened. And what is happening, it's a matter of serious concern. Why I'm going to say so? Because all the news channels, everybody on ground also will get to know who is a popular leader in Bengal. If you're going to ask anybody, Deepthi, I'm telling you, you ask anyone out here, you ask Vinay Bhai out here, I respect him a lot. He is a good journalist, but he will not going to lie. You ask him, who is the popular leader in Bengal? He will tell you. He will tell you that who is the second popular leader in Bengal. Then also he's going to tell you. If you will ask him that from where the second popular leader has come,
but this debate is not about who's popular, right?
No, absolutely. It is about Bengal.
Was that the brief given to you? I don't understand, Vinay.
About Bengal, and we have seen
no, the question is about political violence. Why should that be a difficult topic to speak on, Chetan? When this is a reality that you look at Bengal for the last many years. Chetan.
No, absolutely.
Vinay, yes.
I've seen it, but
Can I reply to Chetan
increased
bhai?
in a manifold manner. It has increased. Vinay,
Yes, Vinay, go on.
Chetan bhai.
10 सेकंड और 10 सेकंड और
चेतन
कहना चाहता हूँ 2019 के बाद में क्या हुआ 2019 के बाद में वायलेंस कैसे बढ़ गई इतनी ज्यादा रैली किनकी चल रही थी जब ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर स्टैचू के ऊपर हुआ क्या बंगाल के लोग
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं चेतन
गैस यूज नहीं करते आप मुझे बता दीजिए ना
34 साल जब लेफ्ट का राज था बंगाल में क्या मुझे दोबारा वो फिगर्स दोहराने पड़ेंगे क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप चेतन you're also a learned gentleman you're a panelist you know about this Vinay see no
Today,
You can't fool people like that, Binay. People get to know. Truth always has a way of coming out, Binay.
You will get to know about it.
Binay.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ आज डिबेट का इशू था कि ज्यादा गुंडा कौन है, टीएमसी ज्यादा गुंडा है कि लेफ्ट ज्यादा गुंडा है। वो गुंडाई की बात छोड़ करके आप पेट्रोल और डीजल की दाम पूछ रहे हैं। अरे भाई मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ टीएमसी वालों से, डीजल 500 रुपया है, पेट्रोल 1000 रुपया है। आदमी की कीमत क्या है बंगाल में? एक आदमी की जिंदगी की कीमत क्या है? ये फिक्स
आदमी को एक नौकरी दे दो। बिने फॉर्मूला सेट है ना,
फिक्स कर दो भाई।
आपने सुना ना अनिर्बान ने क्या बोला कि ममता बनर्जी का दिमाग देखिए रिजू। ममता बनर्जी सेड after the postmortem report I am ready to provide a job and money to their family। तो शुभांकर and अनिर्बान ऐसे पॉलिटिक्स होता है। शुभांकर zero accountability, अनिर्बान no questions to be asked to the police, Riju no questions to be asked to the Home Minister of Bengal। Riju first।
I cannot hear anything
raised on those grounds.
Yes,
can I
Riju
answer
first.
back now?
Very simple question.
Yes.
Very simple.
So the answer is, first of all, please
that
get the facts right. There is a formal inquiry into the death of this young man. There's a formal inquiry. We are just waiting for the post-mortem report. Now to answer Mr. Vinay, who said that why we are talking about petrol and diesel. Yes, it is unfortunate that a 120-year-old guy lost his life. But because of your raising prices, you bucks might not mind 500 rupees petrol. But for us, general taxpayer citizens, because of the raising prices, thousands and lakhs of people of this country are going to die. It might not be a big thing for you.
That you are diverting the issue, man. Sir, you are diverting the issue. You are diverting the issue. The issue is a political murder case. And it is the issue about who is a bigger gunda, you or left.
Now,
today the debate is not about the petrol and diesel prices.
About Rafi.
Today the debate is not on petrol and diesel prices. Why you are jumping on that issue?
What has happened? What have you done? What have you done in the past 3 years? What inquiries have been made? You should answer me that.
Or the TMC is a bigger gunda.
On the ruling government is the lowest of the low for BJP to do. I completely disregard this.
Don't play so innocent. Don't play so innocent.
Priyanka Riju is
responding. History of political murders from left to TMC.
What about petrol?
That is what I am saying. That Riju was just talking about the formal investigation which will go on. You were saying the formal investigation will go on. I am questioning you. It has been more than 3 to 4 years. Why no investigations have been done in the case of Dulal Kumar? Why no investigations in the murder of Trilochan Mahato? He also had young children. He also had families. He also had a family. He also had children. Why no compensation was given to them? Why no compensation was given to Dulal Kumar and Trilochan Mahato? Why didn't the CM for once speak about it? Why no investigations were done in their cases? Why were they denied a CBI investigation? What was the fear? If Mamata Banerjee wanted to address, to the law and order of the state, if she wanted to address to the law and order of the state, why did she allow a CBI investigation? Answer. Please answer. When people are hanged on the trees, what does Mamata Banerjee do? People of Bengal want to know the same. That why this vandalism is prevailing in West Bengal. Why are you failing as a government? Why are you failing as a government? See, we understand you have failed. You have failed to develop Bengal. We understand that. People also understand that. But why violence? Why violence in Bengal? Just to stay in power. Just to stay in power, you will kill people. You will murder people. And you think people will not question you? People will question you. Why? We want to ask you why, when you are in a government, why are you not making sure that the investigation is done in those cases? Why do you say no to CBI? Tell me. What is it that hounds you, that you don't want that the matter should be investigated when a crime has taken place? When a crime has taken place, why investigation will not take place? I say, what is the fear? What is the fear? Why does TMC say no to CBI? Tell me. Why TMC says no to a CBI? What is the concern? Because they know that everybody who is involved in these political murders are your netas. So that that is
what
the
is
reason
happening
they
on the
don't
ground.
want that any investigation should be done.
Stop lying. Get your facts straight. Get your research people to give you the correct facts.
You stop lying. You tell me who killed Trilochan Mahato. Tell me. Tell us who killed Trilochan Mahato. Tell us who killed Dulal Kumar. See, after killing Trilochan Mahato, you wrote. After killing Trilochan Mahato, people from TMC wrote on his t-shirt that you have been killed because you are doing BJP. So you have to answer to the people of Bengal. People of Bengal will uproot TMC completely.
But no answers.
And so
Priyanka,
completely
no answers.
that
I
you
want to
will
get in
have no
Rakhi.
place, and you
I want to get
already
in
know that
Rakhi
you
and
have
Chetan
realized that.
and then also Vivek.
To come in.
Rakhi, you're a political analyst. I want to understand this from you. The moment you ask a question to the TMC, they will point fingers, Rakhi, at the left. And vice versa. So this means that nothing will ever change in Bengal. We'll keep looking at this entire cycle going on and on and on.
It will
Rakhi.
not.
Is this what the people of Bengal really deserve?
It will not change. Let me tell you first one answer. Trilochan Mahato was their political adversary, so he was killed. Ask them, why was Rajesh and Taposh killed? Just because they wanted to learn Bangla, their mother tongue? Were they killed because of that? Did they get any justice after that? Why were they killed? They were two students. They were not their political adversaries. Why were they killed? And why no inquiry? They are talking about inquiry today. You have
Chetan is responding, Rakhi, to you.
Investigating agencies.
Nothing. She has not done anything. She has not done anything till date.
But at the same time,
Mamta Banerjee is one person who used to ask for CBI.
Why are they provoking? Why are they provoking the another political party? So therefore, it is a matter of serious what
Provoking?
exactly
You
is
will
happening.
kill two
provoking whom
We have to
here, Chetan?
understand. We have to understand the root
students.
cause. There is
You
no
will
point
kill-
beating around the bush.
Chetan, you will
it's a
kill
time
just
to
two
understand
boys will be
the
killed.
fundamentals of
Chetan,
these
you
entire
cannot
problems.
kill
And we
two
know
boys
what is
just
happening.
because they
You tell
want
me
to
who is
learn
the
their
most popular
language.
leader? Rakhi ji,
Their
आप
bhasha.
मुझे ये बता दीजिए who is the most popular leader in Bengal? I'm sure.
Arey, what is this about the most popular leader, Chetan?
We would like to know.
Chetan.
We would like to know because
One
you
minute,
want-
Chetan, I told you for the second time, this debate is not about any popular leader. And listen, do not do this, Chetan. We are talking about a very serious issue here. This is political violence, Vivek, in the state.
This is what we are trying to do. So this is
Again,
not
you have
the
Chetan who wants to talk about, the popular leader in Bengal.
From the question.
But how does
BJP
anyone
ever since
become
the day that
popular?
the Bharatiya
By
Janata
resorting
Party
to
You are
violence
running
like
away
this?
from the question.
There is communal violence in Bengal.
Vivek and Rakhi now. Vivek and Rakhi.
You are running away from the question. Vivek, you and your TMC, you and your TMC
जय श्री
partner,
राम मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम के नाम पे
आप लोग भगोड़े हो,
चंदे इकट्ठा
आप
करते
लोग-
हैं,
आप लोग-
दंगे करवाते हैं
आप
और
लोग
गुजरात के
question से
मॉडल
जब
को आप
भागते हो,
बंगाल में
आपको
लाना चाहते हैं।
भगोड़े कहते
You want to
हैं।
get the Gujarat model where so many Muslims are massacred. You want the same to happen in
I
Bengal.
told you,
The Bengali
you
people
are
were
running
never
away
communal.
from the question
They
of
were always
Bengal
together.
because you
There was no
and
Hindu
TMC
Muslim in Bengal ever.
you
Ever
are
since
in
the
it
BJP has entered the
together.
political fray.
You are
Every
playing
day
together
Hindu-Muslim.
and people
Every day
who run away
Hindu-Muslim.
from the question of
Sometimes it is
Bengal,
the goddess.
I will call them
Sometimes
Bhagodas.
Muharram.
You are
Sometimes
Bhagodas.
Jai Shri Ram.
You are running away from the question.
You are obsessed with dividing the nation because you want a
Yes,
Hindu
we will say
Rashtra.
Jai Shri Ram.
You don't
So
believe
what?
in the constitution of
We
India.
will not
You
say
want a
Jai
Hindu
Bangla.
Rashtra.
We will not say
You
Jai
don't
Bangla.
believe in the
Jai Bangla
constitution.
is a slogan
You
of
believe in
Bangladesh.
Manusmriti.
We will not
That is
say.
the problem.
We
You
will
want to
not say
break
Jai Bangla,
the social
which is not
fabric
our.
of this nation. You want to break the social
What
fabric of
break?
Bengal. And
What
the left
break? You
will
are
not let
using
you
the
do it.
slogan
Where are you
Bangladesh.
taking this
Left will
debate,
not let you
Vivek?
do it.
Vivek, I'm pulling you back to
You will
Bengal.
not
I'm pulling
succeed.
you back
He
to
does not
Bengal.
know. I
But I
told
don't
you,
understand,
these
Vinay,
are
why
Bhagodas.
no one wants to
Bengal
talk of the
question.
political
Bharatiya Janata
violence in the
Party
state.
is single-handedly
I understand Shubhankar Anirban don't want to talk about this
Because
right
they
now,
are
but
Bhagodas.
why is Vivek also skirting the entire issue,
They
Vinay?
want the Hindu
But the
Rashtra.
question is who is
And they
listening?
want it in Bengal.
Vinay, I want to hear Vinay,
There
then
is a
perhaps
reason for
Shubhankar can
that.
come in.
There is a reason for that. Yeah.
They are in it together.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know why they are escaping the question? Because there is reason for that. Mamta Banerjee is going to be a history. She will be remembered in the Indian history as the most cruel murderer and dictator.
Okay, fine, let the election
And
decide. Will you
unfortunately,
decide it on
her
the
name is
debate itself?
Mamta, which means compassion. which means compassion.
Come on, Anirban, come on.
See
Come
is
on,
opposite
Anirban.
to her name.
Why
Her
is
name
it
is
so?
Mamta, which
Why
means
is it so when
compassion.
it comes to
And
law
there
and
is
order? Why
no
don't we talk
compassion
about
in her.
law and order only?
People are dying,
Why is
they
it
are being
about the
killed, they
location?
are
Why
being
is it about
butchered.
the...
And she is
Why
trying
are
to
you
fix
so
a price for every
categorically...
life.
Why are you
If
so
you
categorical
die
while
and you are a
attacking the
Muslim,
Bengal
you'll
only?
get a job.
Why don't
If
you
you
just
die,
compare
you
it
are a
with your
communist,
own
you'll get
rural
a job.
states?
If
Why
you
don't you
die
compare
and
it
you
along with your own
are
rural
you are a
states?
BJP
Why can't you
person,
put everything on the same
not
platform?
a proper inquiry,
While
not
you
a proper
discuss law and
FIR,
order,
not a
kindly
proper
put it
investigation
on the
will
same
happen.
platform and then discuss.
Mamta Banerjee
You should have.
will going
You
to be a
should
chapter in
compare
the
the
history
law
books.
and order
How a
condition
dictator
of law and order of all
sold.
states, putting
It
them
is a
on the
decline
same
of a
equal platform.
dictatorship
Then you have to
which
compare
she
whether the
perceived.
UP is
It is a
doing,
decline of the
whether your UP is
dictatorship
doing
in
far
Bengal,
good, or whether
which
your
started
Gujarat has a
from
very
Congress,
better, any
then
better records
came
of
to
that.
CPM,
Please, no,
and then it
no,
was given to
no.
TMC.
And your party
That
has a
dictatorship
history
is
of
going to
creating
end.
maximum
And you know the
communal
real
violences.
Sonar Bangla.
You
The
hail
real
from a
Sonar
party,
Bangla
you are
is
protecting
going
a
But you know,
party,
Shubhankar,
advocating a
into
party.
the
You know, I want to
BJP.
take that bit to Anirban. Anirban and later perhaps Riju can come in.
Murders.
And then I'll also get in Priyanka to respond to that. But Anirban, did you hear what Shubhankar said? He said, Bengal pe kyo sawal puchte ho? Why? Are we not allowed to ask questions of what's going on in West Bengal? Or like Mamta Banerjee believes that this is her personal fiefdom, you can't ask questions then, Priyanka, of the
Absolutely
TMC?
not. Well,
Anirban?
but the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal has the courage to face the media. She holds press conferences on a regular basis. What about the Prime Minister? How many press conferences has he held since 2014?
But this is not about the Prime Minister. This is not about those press conferences. This is about
But this is
political
not about the
violence,
press
Anirban. I'm reminding
conferences.
you
Who is
again.
holding how many press conferences? This is not about that.
This is
about the violence.
Of a woman
This is about the vandalism.
The courage to face anything.
This is about the
She has the
lawlessness.
courage to
Don't
face
play the
anything
victim
and
card,
everything.
Anirban. We are not playing the
Nothing
victim
about
card.
playing victim card. No,
If anyone is a victim, it's the people. It's the people in Bengal, Priyanka, who want answers today.
See, if your government is unable, if your government is incapable and unable, if your government is incapable and unable to maintain law and order, they should say so. People will bring them down from the chair. See, law and order is your state subject. It is your responsibility.
If it is about law and order, please compare Uttar Pradesh with West Bengal. The numbers, the difference is between hell and heaven. When you compare Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, the difference is.
I don't know
so
what
very
data you're
clear
looking at.
that I don't
I don't know what data you're looking at, but I want to give the last word to Rakhi. Just last word to Rakhi. 10 seconds, Rakhi.
Any and every data that you want, West Bengal beats.
Yes.
And that is the reason the TMC government does not send their data since the last 3 years to the National Crime Bureau.
Yes, that's the point.
That is the reason you do not send your data. You are playing here a competition of press conference, a competition of popularity. You do not know the debate topic at all.
This is an utter lie.
Anirban, do you know what people like you are called? The people who run away from questions, who run away from facing truth. Those people in Hindi, we call them bhagores.
You don't even know who wrote Joy Bangla, the poem.
Traitor to
You seem
whom?
to be a traitor for Bengali.
But people know everything, Anirban.
You are a Bibhishan
People
of
know
Bengali.
everything. People know everything. People are watching this. People have seen how many times you, Riju, Shubhankar have ducked those questions. So has Vivek. Priyanka, Rakhi, Binay, Riju, Shubhankar, Anirban, Vivek and Chetan. For the moment, thank you to all of you. But this is a story that Republic will track very, very closely. Remember, it's just the beginning of, the kind of violence we are looking at in the state of Bengal, and we still do not know who actually caused this violence for the moment. Thank you.